Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align shape center in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to align shape center. Go to the Insert menu, then click the Shapes drop down menu and select a shape, then draw it. Then again go back this option and insert a shape. Then change the shape color. Now we want to align this shape center. Press shift on our keyboard and select the multiple shape. Then go to the shape format menu. Click the alignment option and align center. Now we can see we align center this shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.